name is Anton and I am a brain injury survivor. 22nd of February 2015, I had 2 brain aneurysms and an arteriovenous malformation. The one aneurysm and the AVM ruptured on that night. I was working late to catch up on some reports that my boss wanted from me. At about 1 o'clock in the morning, I wanted to go and sleep. My wife was already in bed, so I got into the spare bedroom and I couldn't fall asleep. My head was too busy, so I grabbed my iPad and I was watching YouTube videos when a funny sensation came over my feet, legs. When it hit my torso, I lost consciousness. And then when I woke up a couple of hours later, I panicked because I couldn't hear, I couldn't talk, I couldn't see, I couldn't move. And I knew I was in trouble, so I tried to shout at the top of my voice for my wife to come and help me. And the only sound that came out was, "Help me." And that alerted my cat, and he jumped on my wife's chest and he started growling. That's how she also woke up. And then she found me in the spare bedroom. But my eyes were so light sensitive, I asked her to switch the passage light off, which she switched on. I had a terrible headache. I asked her for headache tablets, which I couldn't swallow. And then she asked me a couple of questions. She determined that I had a possible stroke, and she phoned Discovery Health, who sent an ambulance to our house. The ambulance took me. It was very frustrating because in January of 2015 I was in Mozambique, so the doctor at the ER was convinced I had malaria. So he did malaria test after malaria test on me. The more I said to him there's something wrong in my brain, the more he did malaria tests. So eventually I begged him to do a lumbar punch, and when he did, he saw blood in the fluids. So then he sent me for a CT scan, and he saw the 2 aneurysms and the AVM, and that there's 2 places in my brain that's bleeding. To be honest, you're going to be my first operation of this kind, because 80% of the people that happen to what happened to you dies. If I don't do the operation, you'll die. If I do the operation, there's a 50% chance that you either live or die. If you live, there's a 50% chance that you're going to be a complete vegetable, or that you... So he gave me all of the statistics, and I've beaten all of the statistics so far. A day without laughter is a day wasted. A negative mindset, don't create a positive life. And come to a headway, because this is a family.